Trade up to a new phone with best value. Yes, we assign a best value for your phone depending upon its usage, color, your capacity, everything out there. It basically means that how much your phone is in good condition, how old it is, and whether it is actually refurnished or can be reused. So this value can vary according to your mobile phone too. Find all models and all brands under one roof. Yes, we aim for the biggest of the brands under one roof. Your favorite brands, your favorite models, all can be visited at one store itself. It's slightly difficult, but yes, it is possible with Make My Screen. Either it's your Nokia, ZTE, HTC, Motorola, Apple, Samsung, or any other. We have a great database where we can easily help you to locate your favorite mobile with all the specifications you need, whether it's a great chip system or a CPU system, whether it's about 3.5 jack system or Apple's various products. Everything under one roof can be easily protected. Yes, we have a great database where we give you n number of mobile phones. Tech updation is also available here. Yes, this is one of the most common problem we all face with our smartphones. Whether our phone is updated, is all up to the date or not, whether it need to be updated or not, there are various problems related to it. And we have a very easy solution for it. Yes, we have a web app where you can easily check out its updation and all the things around there. Whether it's a smartphone, 4G, 3G or your tablet devices, everything is possible around here. Comparison. Yes, we have an amazing feature in addition to your specified phone and all the tech updates. This easily gives you a knowledge about your all the internet and social media usage apps. Yes, it all gives you apps and all the information related to it. Whether it's a Skype, your Insta, your any other social media, your link, your line, every app out here is there. It also helps you to get all the knowledge and how to use it. Its pros and cons both are mentioned over here. It gives you an immense knowledge about each and every medium, as well as it also provides you a knowledge where it can be best used. Do you find difficulty in purchasing your favorite brand due to lack or shortage of money? Then we have come up with an amazing solution for you all. Make My Screen arranges finance for your favorite product, either it's smartphones, your tablets, your laptops or any other device. How is it possible? Yes, it is possible due to various products and due to various things out there. We give you a great help with this as we provide you finance, equal payment and Insta free over 24 to 36 periods of month. As well as we have various payment mode of options, and we give you a very interesting and an advantage over here, that is pay zero down payment. Yes, this is an amazing feature out here with our company only. Do you use your phone more than the time it has to be allotted? Like if there is an extended warranty period, you would have used it for more and more long period. But due to its low warranty period, we plan to exchange it over. So we provide you a solution for that too. For your favorite brands, we have extended warranty period too. So what is it? It is actually a small warranty period we give you for your favorite brands. If you like to use it for more than 2 years and the warranty period has already expired, then we provide you the extended warranty period too. So this gives you an advantage over your phone and over all the brands, because we start a new cycle for the extended warranty period too. We don't just need insurance for ourselves but for our lifelines too. Yes, we provide you mobile phone insurance too, where you get the best protection at your best value. Why do we say so? We provide you all kind of protections. Yes, all kind of protections are there. It's whether theft coverage, your liquid damage, your broken or scattered screen, your cracked screen or accidental damage. Yes, we provide you all the type of protections at the lowest price, as well as we provide you guarantee for the replacement of the screen too. Shopping is one of the most favorite thing we all do. Yes, and shopping all over the globe, it gives you an immense pleasure, because we love some products which are not available around us, but definitely are online. So this is a small feature we have added in our branch too. We have a dedicated and experienced team out there who helps you to ship constantly fast delivery throughout the globe. Yes, we have lots of vendors and an amazing team which provides you the fast and reliable and affordable service too. Most of us are worried for our accessories. Don't you think that there should be a place where we can find all our accessories at a place? Whether it's SIM card, where is the charger, adapter, or any other accessories. We all need it, but sometimes we all lose them too. But we have a solution for you. Yes, we have all accessories for all models. We provide you an advantage where you get to see all the accessories for your favorite brands, whether it's their speakers or their screen capacity. We have a replacement parts too, as well as SIM cards, accessories kits, car accessories, or any other accessory. You all can check them out and can avail at a great price. Are you bored of your using old phones and your old gadgets? Now you want to sell them but can't get a place where it is valued, right? So here is your solution. We value your products and we pay you the best price for it. How we do so? Very simple procedure to be followed for this. All you have to do is get your device evaluated by us, fix a small appointment where we fix time and you fix the location for pickup. We pick the product and pay you cash back. These are the simple procedure involved in it. But the major thing involved is the evaluation process. All you have to be is honest during the evaluation period. So nothing else there. Your old and used gadgets can be used and reused by us, whereas we provide you the best price for it. Whether it's a Samsung, Apple MacBook, or your smartwatches, any other device, everything is valued over here. But the best part is that we don't just value, we provide you an online evaluation process too. Yes, you can check out all your products valued by online evaluation. That's a very simple procedure involved in it. All the procedures are followed, I have already discussed. That is, get your phone evaluated online or by offline process, then pick up, then pay back. That's a very simple procedure involved in it. Do you think your broken mobile phones can be recycled or can be resold? Yes. After recycling these mobile phones, they have got a great value. So for recycling, you all have to just check out the evaluation and to see what all things have been damaged. If it's just the screen, then you can easily get it recycled. But if it's more than the screen, then there are a lot of things to be recycled. But as a value, its resale value has definitely changed due to the recycling process. It's much better to sell your broken mobile phone because it gives you a different value of your new products.